In early 2012, a strange thought emerged. What if transportation itself could be optimized, not only with algorithm, but with human capability? What if road space could be optimized physically? And then came the breakthrough thought. What if skating could be a personal mode of transport? It was an idea ahead of personal ability. At that time, I didn't even know how to skate. I was hesitant, afraid to try, watching people skate on YouTube, observe skater online, wondering who will teach me, how will I learn. Years passed, the idea refused to leave.